Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Zay's Garage back for another one. In today's video, we are going to be putting on the CS style, the M3 CS style wing on my BMW 340i. I got this wing from Extreme Powerhouse for like 150 bucks. It was an absolute steal. It's really simple to put this thing on. Honestly, I think this should take no longer than 30 minutes altogether to put this thing on. So I'm going to walk you guys through my process today. I'm going to give you step by step all the things that I also purchased to be able to put the wing on and allow you guys to be able to do it yourself. So let's go on ahead and dive on into the video. So guys, if you want to continue to see 340i and F30 content, please like this video, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys, because there's a lot of amazing content ahead with my 340i and you do not want to miss it, guys. Alright guys, so here's what I have to be able to put the wing on today. So I have some 3M masking tape. I have the 3M double-sided tape here as well to put on the wing so I can stick it to the car. I have a microfiber towel for cleaning the area, and then also just some simple green cleaner, just something to get all the gook off with my wing for now, because I haven't washed the car in a while. And last but not least, this beautiful lip spoiler based on the M3 CS, guys. Okay guys, so first thing I'm going to do is just wipe down the surface, because I just have not been able to clean my car in such a while. Just going to use this simple green just to surface nice and clean and prep for the wing. Car is so dirty. Okay, so now that that's done, we're gonna go on ahead and we're gonna get our spoiler and we're going to do a little bit of a test fit. Take this time right now to just kind of get the spoiler lined up and put in a place where you think it makes the most sense, where it lines up. Alright, once you got the spoiler where you like it, we're going to take some of our masking tape here and we're going to just line up where, basically just put a piece where you got it to line up and where you like it, so that when after I put the tape on, I can just be able to easily just kind of put it back. So it's gonna, alright, now it's time for the fun part. Now I got my 3M tape and we are going to go ahead and try and affix this to the back of this wing so that it stays nice and secure. So let's go ahead and do that. So for this part, you just want to take your tape and you just want to fix it. I don't really have the most space here, so I'm just doing this inside my car, but basically on the edges here, I'm going to affix some tape, 3M tape, going along the spoiler. Hopefully I have enough, and then we're going to go on and move back to the back and we're going to do it. So I'm not going to film this part because this part is very straightforward. If you guys have any questions about this, please don't hesitate to ask. Let's go on ahead and do it. Okay, so we got our 3mm tape fixed all across this wing, and now I'm going to go and try and get this bad boy on here, guys. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so now we got our 3mm tape on here, so I'm just going to do a little trick here where you just take the, you essentially just take the tape here and you just kind of roll it back just a little bit so that you can pull it out, and then once the wing is on there, you can just like kind of like use it as a tab. So let's go on ahead and do that. If I could just get it off, that'd be great. Alright, I got one side here that took a little while, but I pulled that back. Let's go and get the other. Alright guys, now that we got both sides kind of rolled over here, you can see we can now go ahead and try and do a little bit of a test fit here. Yeah, I hope this works. Alright, here goes nothing. Alright, so try and line it up with where I originally had the parts. Alright, looking nice. Alright, now that that's on there, now we're just going to take, like how I showed you guys here, we're just going to take this and we're just going to pull it from underneath. Hopefully this works as good as I wanted it to. Gonna press it down, continue to work our way around. Well, we got one little caveat here. It appears we have one piece that decided that it doesn't want to come out. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I got some tape stuck. Like right here. This is very unfortunate because it's kind of hard to get it out now. Let's see if we can try and get this bit of the last bit out here. Alright guys, so I had to make a few adjustments to the tape, but now it's sticking really nice and it looks super good, guys. I think this was a very nice touch from my F30, guys. And it really wasn't that difficult to install. I just botched it because sometimes I can be a little bit of a buffoon. But yeah guys, it's looking pretty sharp. Definitely added a lot of aggression to the back end of the car, especially with the debadged and the blacked out emblems. It looks absolutely amazing, guys. Alright guys, so that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was the spoiler installation. It was super easy. I'm gonna put a link in the description to all the parts that I used today to get my wing on, so that you guys can do it yourself and have that same kind of awesome M3 replica style look. Hey, thank you so much for watching again. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, because there's so much ahead and you don't want to miss it, guys. Peace. We'll see you in the next video.